Alrighty friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cargo Adventure Trailer Conversion. My work trailer, fun trailer. So here's where we are today, going through the cedar pickets, and that's what I'm using for my wall. And as you can see, if you haven't seen my previous video right here, I rounded the edges to give a softer look using a DeWalt 20 volt router and using stainless steel screws to adhere through the Reflectex insulation, then onto the 1/4 inch plywood. So I am at this juncture right here, got this straight and got the wheel well. So the wheel well was on the surface rusted before, so I took oh god, I forgot what the product is. It's a sealant, waterproof sealant. I mean, it's basically more heavier duty spray paint. So seal coat, I forgot the name, whatever the heavyset guy pitching it on TV and everywhere on the internet. So I coated both sides of the wheel well with several layers, good thick layers, but that's not really gonna do much good unless I do something underneath, which I will be doing. But just on the inside, coated that thoroughly. This is metal, so metal transmits heat or cold readily, so I need to insulate it, and that's what I'm going to do. I want to minimize amount of screwing through the wheel well, so what I'm going to do is use Dynaflex 230 caulking. Same thing as pretty much as liquid nail. Well, not quite, but it's going to serve its purpose, because eventually on top of that I need to decide whether I'm going to put bamboo flooring like here or go with the cedar board. Let me know what you guys think I should do as far as covering up the wheel well to give a finished look, or just leave it alone. It could be that way, but I need to do something because I'm going to insulate. So a bit curious. So I'm going to use Dynaflex 230 caulking because it retains its shape well. I'm just going to caulk the top first and just put it on, then continue with my cedar board siding, then move on, mosey along. Cheers everybody. God bless. This side is almost done, thank God.